Do you feel the vibes? Hey guys, my name's Edwards and it's actually quite late at night, but I don't care. And I'm sitting in my tent right now. It's way bigger than I thought it would be. But there's like 3 sections of this. So it's pretty cool. Show them in. Oh my god, it's creepy. I don't really want to talk too loud, for a certain reason, but
I know
yeah.
I'll be happy
Shut up.
with you.
Right, flashy light. And yeah.
I know I'll be happy.
Stop singing. Stop singing Ed Sheeran.
Sorry. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl called Daisy. She had a very
Does she have a really white face? Because that's what you have right now. Wait. We're shining the other one in your eye. Other one in your eye, shine it. Oh, you're a nice forehead.
What the hell is that?
My
What is
hair's
that?
pretty sexy.
What is that?
It's radio. It's kind of creepy, actually.
Well, that's not working very well.
Yeah, you want to flash at me?
It's not working.
Sky, don't hit it. There you go. Oh, no, not at the camera, at me. Ah, well, once lived a little girl. Her name was called Michaela. She went out to the woods and got raped.
The end. My light keeps turning off.
Ah!
Work.
Oh, wait, you can't even see anything. Shine at me, dick.
Said, one day
Yeah.
I'll fit.
She's very, very awkward. Well, you know. It's quite dark in here, though. My bag.
Turn the light on.
Oh,
It is on.
the amount of times, right, that my brother stole my bag and put it up on a tree.
2 times, Nathan. 3 times.
3 times.
And I was part of 2 of them. 2 of the times I had to...
I'm the chosen one.
The 2 times I had to sneak in here and get it from you while you were sleeping. Nathan, get off. You were sleeping like this. I was sleeping. You were sleeping like this.
Was I? I was not sleeping like that.
You were. I came in and you were sleeping like that. With your back. But your bag was here. You're like this. So it was hard to get your bag.
Stupid lie, hey.
My friend said, what's up?
Alright, where's my torch? Ah! Where's my torch? There it is.
I have a better torch than you. It started
Let's
working.
try this.
My friend said...
Well, you know what? I'll see you guys. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I see what you're wearing, there's nothing beneath it. Forgive me for staring, forgive me for breathing. We might not know